Hello Python programmers, this is Eki. In this video we are going to learn about how to convert a Python file into a standalone exe file. For conversion you have to install a library in Python that is called a PyInstaller. So this is a simple process. You can easily use this method for converting large Python files. But before getting to this video, I have one announcement for you. I just created a blog for this channel and I uploaded some useful articles on that website. So you can find more useful information on that website. If you get enough time, please check out this website and I will provide a link in the description box of this video. Okay. So as usual, like, share, comment and subscribe. These things will motivate me to produce more good content in Python programming. So let's start this video. For installing this package, you need to open your command prompt and install the package by using the following command. We all know how to install a package in Python. So type pip install PyInstaller. After installing this package, go to the Python file that you want to convert into an exe file. On that path, you need to open the Windows PowerShell prompt. For opening the Windows PowerShell prompt, you have to press Shift plus right click. Now you need to type some command for converting the Python file into an exe file. After typing that command, you need to hit the enter button to start the converting process of the Python file to an exe file. It takes some time for the conversion. So after finishing that process, go to your Python file path. Here you can see the folder that is named as dist. Now open that folder and inside this folder you can see the executable Python file. You can easily run that file and you can use that executable file as a standalone application like this. Okay, so that's all about this video. If you like this video, give a like and subscribe and share for more interesting scripts in Python. Thanks for watching and thank you. See you on next video.